program is brought to you by Class 3A. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. The theme of our today's assembly is National Girl Child Day. The purpose behind celebrating this day is to spread awareness among people about all the inequalities girls face in the Indian society. So, to begin with, I call upon Elvi Shibin for the comment.
School attention, get ready for prayer. Prayer begins.
Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amradam Gamaya दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा धर्म हो सेवा हमारा कर्म हो सेवा ईमान हो सेवा व सेवक चिंत बना देना वदन के वास्ते जीना वदन के वास्ते मरना वदन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति
School stand at ease.
A pledge is a way to make us aware for our duties towards our nation. So, I request Abhinay Prabhu to lead us with the pledge.
School attention, get ready for pledge. Pledge begins.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my
All Indians are my
brothers and sisters.
brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country
And I am proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be
try to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, my people,
and my people.
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
India will be
India will be
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. School, stand at ease.
A meaningful thought has a unique place in our life. So here is Amaya for the thought of the day.
Good morning. Today's thought, telling by Amaros 3A. Kill the tension before kills you. I repeat, kill the tension before kills you. Quoted by APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A new word increase our vocabulary. So I would like to call Kushi Kumari and Aradhya to add a new word to our vocabulary.
Good morning to all my dear teachers and friends. Today's new word is appetite. Spelling APPETITE. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Tena Maria to up-to-date us with the latest happening around the world.
Good morning to all. I am Lena. Today's news. US makes it mandatory for all incoming passengers to carry negative COVID-19 test report from December 6, including others from India to carry a negative COVID-19 test report. The Parliament to pay tribute to General Bipin Rawat, his wife, and 11 others who died in a chopper crash in Sonur, Tamil Nadu on Wednesday. Tele-veterinary service will soon in all districts, say the minister. Animal Husbandry and Dairy Development Minister J. Chinjurani has said tele-veterinary service will soon in all districts in the state. Sports. A batter of his quality is always needed in India's cures. India's new white ball captain Rohit Sharma give his backing to Virat Kohli. Thank you and have a nice day.
An assembly without something special is always incomplete. To make it special, I would like to call Diva Prashok.
My name is Diva Prashub. I am studying class 3A. Expected principal ma'am, teachers, and my friends. Today I am telling few words about National Girl Child Day. Every year, 24 January is celebrated as the National Girl Child Day in India. National Girl Child Day was first initiated in 2008 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. On this day, Indira Gandhi was elected as the Prime Minister, so it has been decided to celebrate this day as National Girl Child Day. National Girl Child Day is celebrated to discuss issues related to girls' health, respect, education, and nutrition. Therefore, every child in the country, maybe boy or girl, is important and are the future of the country. The theme in this year 2021 is Digital Generation, Our Generation. Thank you. And also, I sing a poem. The name of the poem is Save Girl Child. Let me live and let me bloom. Let me shine like a beautiful moon. Let me come and see this world. Let me fly like a beautiful bird. Don't be cruel or selfish. Let me swim like a colorful fish. Let me see this beautiful earth. Please don't kill me before my birth. Thank you.
SLC Varma and C. Lakshmi is here with postal song National Girl Child Day. Let's watch and enjoy.
January 24th, National Girl Child Day. Girls are angels. Save them. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Ashashwi Verma. I am studying in class 3rd at KV and Dronacharya. I make a earth and a girl. Save earth, save girl. Thank you. A starting also has an end. Now we have also reached the end of our assembly. So let's end our morning assembly by national anthem. For that, I would like to call Yashika Kumari.
School attention. Get ready for national anthem. National anthem begins.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उच्चल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
Assembly disperse.
So we are winding up our assembly by Vidya of class 3A and my classmates. Thank you for your support and have a nice day.